Hey loves, today's video is a Barbie themed pink makeup tutorial with this easy cut crease eye. With pink being one of my favorite colors, of course I had to create something to celebrate the new Barbie movie. For today's makeup look, I am using the Colourpop Ooh La La Pressed Powder Palette, and I'm starting off by taking the shade Sandbar on my Profusion small pointed eyeshadow brush, and I am placing that directly into and slightly above my crease. I am using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with the LA Colors Highlight in Shine Bright. And to cut my crease, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I am placing Tickled on my lid with the AOA Studio E113. I am redefining my crease with Sandbar using the BH Cosmetics V9. I am outlining the outer 2/3 of my crease with the darkest pink from the Gavissi Beauty Strawberry Retro Liner Trio. I am filling in the rest of that area with the Ruby Kisses iBling Glitter Eyeliner in Pink Storm. I am using the Nicka Black Liquid Liner for my wing. I love the formula of this product, but its applicator is so big and chunky. I much rather use my liner brush to get a precise line every time. And even though it takes a little bit longer because the brush is so small, I love the precision. Look at how sharp my wing is. I love it. I'm following up with their Define and Lengthen mascara before I apply my lashes. This is the I Envy Natural 3D Collection Lash in the style 26. I am blending Caddy along my lower lash line with my Energy 111. On my waterline, I am using the black Nicka eye pencil. For my inner corner highlight, I am using Moonstruck on my Coastal Scents small detail pointed brush. The Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush in Lucky is the perfect hot pink for this look. I am blending it out with my Ioni blush brush. For my cheekbone highlight, I am applying the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Blossom Glow with my Energy 110. To complete my Barbie girl look, I am applying the Dior Addict Stellar Gloss in Be Dior. Here's my completed Barbie girl look. It is so girly and pink. I love it. All of the products that I used will be available in the description. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!